Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to attend the Klux Awards night. Actually, dapat hindi ako mag-vlog pero pumasok na ako doon. Tapos dala nila yung mga camera nila, maraming nag-vlog. So sabi ko, okay sige, maybe mag-vlog na lang din ako. Sama ko kayo guys. Ay, medyo foggy yung ano ko. Let's go! Tayo na nga si Hazel, inaantay ako. So mag-vlog na lang din ako. So let's say hi to Hazel. Hi!
Inaantay ko lang si Mark.
Wait lang, hindi napakita yung outfit mo. Hi! Hi! O, diba? Taray!
Ipakita natin yung outfit mo, napakita mo ba?
Oo, kaso sakto lang naman yung outfit.
Ang ganda kaya ng outfit niya. Outfit! Wait, medyo malabo. Punasan mo na na. Ngayon na. Pakita mo sa vlog. Ayan, pinunasan niya. Oh, better. Fit check! Ang ganda, I love it. Tara!
Let's go. Mga introvert.
Pero ang mga introvert nandito lang sa labas. Dito lang ako sa tabi.
Tapos may trabaho.
Excited na ako sa next trip.
Kaya hi Jay!
And providing sponsorship trips
Hindi pa nga. Hi Jay!
I miss you, Ma.
I miss you. Nice to meet you again. Oh, selfie muna tayong tatlo.
and your drive
We're back in Japan soon in Europe.
So, if you want that, go ahead and post on Instagram. Make sure you visit.
Gawin ang pauso ng ano.
And next up, we do have a game from the
Tapos na
Travel
Batangas.
Club or World Traveler booth. This is a way for everybody to try and take their chance.
Nagbabagong buhay na nga ako.
Sa lahat ng mga maling maghanap ng what to do and where to go, I know all of you are here and you're the best at that in the Philippines. We do want you to do that here in this event. It's a little okay, so we are taking photos of the winners over there. Congratulations to you. Ang yun na namin nyo, pa-share naman. Kasi hindi ko alam sa lahat. Pero parang kami naman ba? So I'm telling you guys, the jumping contest, you're gonna win some prizes.
Shout out sa mga Marvin sa Makopan!
If you found those stickers,
Dito po kami ngayon sa event. Ang galing, napaka-demure, cutesy ni Marvin. I'm wearing Nash August.
Again, while you're enjoying the experience, here is Creator Awards.
Madami makakapanood yan.
Bakit?
Ang cute na! Let's give it up to Yula and Maki! Ang cute nila today! Stepford Sisters ang Meg. Okay, very thrilled to announce our winners. First up,
Travel Innovator Award goes to Hazel King.
Go Hazel!
So, fun fact lang guys, Klux is the first brand who trusted me. Hindi ka tayo next. Sobrang weird. Ang weird ko, pero thank you so much.
Go Hazel! Congrats!
Wala pa akong followers man guys, parang 10K pa lang. So, thank you so much.
congratulations to our travel innovator, Hazel. Mag-shot ka dyan sa Tanqueray. Travel Luminary Award nominees we have
Ivan again.
Jaya Mandisho, Jax Reyes, The Sensons, Ivan Mendoza, and our Travel Luminary Award goes to
Congratulations!
Goes to may speech talaga na pressure ako, but thank you so much naman. I think I want to thank each and everyone. Klux firstly kasi I believe that Klux really democratized travel. Learn from each other. And last but not least, syempre, to all of the followers, to my followers, to your followers din. Kasi kung wala sila, di ba? All of those nights.
Hi, Bebo. Nice to meet you, Bebo.
Para sa akin to.
Congratulations! Apple Creator Award! We're celebrating a content creator known for their travel-related content. She's gained popularity and received positive recognition for their travel ventures, stories, tips,
Yes, daw. Ngayon ko lang din nalaman.
videos, or any other content related exploring destinations around the world. For favorite female travel creator nominees, we have
Kaya nga eh. Gigil.
and Liwana, Jen Baraga, Rose Vidal. Female travel creator nominee or awardee is
Jen Baraga!
First of all, we would like to thank Look for the recognition and maraming salamat. And also, I would like to acknowledge contributions as well of my fellow nominees. Alam ko, as a babae, hindi madali gumawa ng content. Or regardless of the gender, actually, hindi talaga madali gumawa ng content. To be able to provide good photos or videos kung hindi ko siya kasama sa part. For this award, this is also not just for me, kundi para to sa tatlong klase ng mga travelers. Number 1, yung mga seasoned travelers na. Number 2, yung nagsastart pa lang sa journey nila. And number 3, yung nangangarap pa lang na makapag-travel. Para sa inyo po ito, para sa ating lahat. Thank you so much, and let's continue to create adventures and share it to the world. Thank you!
congratulations and thank you so much, Jen.
And our favorite male travel creator is Archie Lorna!
Asan siya? Magsusuot pa yun ang fur coat niya. Ang fur coat niya. Outfit!
Archie!
Mr. Romo! Ay, hanap si Ivan. Hanap si Ivan.
Oh my God, thank you so much! Oh my God. Nagiginig ako, oh my God. But anyway, let me explain. Kasi, look na lang names. Kasi, okay, cutting back. Mga 30 minutes lang kung talk ko. When I started creating content back, just keep on creating content, just keep on being inspired to create content. Huwag natin gawin lahat just for the money. Just enjoy what you're doing.
Yes!
Ito, parang yung ano yung time na mabibigyan din kayo ng opportunity na mag-shine sa inyong mga platform and talents. So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pinili. Sa mga fellow creators ko dito, sa mga ate, parang sa akin na award din naman to. So maraming salamat po ulit sa inyo lahat sa Kulong Philippines. Thank you so much sa support po. And to more Narga sa bayan! Thank you po!
Congratulations! This award is going to be presented to a creator who brings good to everywhere she goes, or he or her created me, and infectious good vibes translate to engaging content for Hop In, generating reach and conversion pivotal. This award comes with the incredible prize, a 4-day 3-night stay at the Hop In Japan Hotel. Facing the honor, please.
Go, Nana!
Miss Nana.
Go, Nana! Go, na!
Let's give it up for Nana and her 3-inch platform hits. Yes. Talent po yan, ladies and gentlemen. Next up, we're going to be moving.
So we have first Rose Vidal. Of course, we have Peter Yusa HQ, Marcos Perita. We also
yan, oh. Masungay ko yan.
Sabi na video siya daw video.
Ah, sige.
Si Hazel.
Oh, JM!
JM!
Dapat.
Ikaw, yan.
And of course,
Let's go, Marvin! Sorry po.
Owner ng Flock CEO. Governor.
Congratulations to our Globetrot Awards, and thank you so much to the Travel Club and World Traveler for presenting us with these wonderful creators and their prizes as well. Congratulations, and keep on the awards coming. Moving on to the next one, care of Johnny Walker. We're going to be awarding the Keep Walker Award, and this one is
Pakita mo, baliktad.
celebrating the individuals who took
Let's go!
the spirit. I love it. And we have actually one more award.
Actually, sabi ko sa kanya, sa travel, si Marvin sama ko yung goals ko. Kasi ang dami mo namimit na mga opa.
Yung talaga yung front ko lang yung track. Hindi, joke.
Sa 7-Eleven.
Wala pa din sana.
Dinay ko sa bangko.
Ang dami comment yung sa yung sa Gete Live, Gete Live. Ako yun.
Itong sash sa'yo. Please wear your wonderful sash. Please wear it, and then congratulations. Yeah.
Ay, wow.
Alright, our fashion award. And next up, Archie. Hinanap ko yung channel mo kanina. Sayang. Inintay mo pala para sa itong award is our
Go, Jay.
Trendsetter Award. This award is presented to a creator who is innovative and has a significant impact in the audience and has popularized one of the hidden gems in Vietnam, resulting in more people visiting the cascading rice terraces, misty valleys, and majestic peaks located in the south. The creators' new ideas, styles, and practices have played a significant role in the conversation.
Mga bebe boy lang yan.
Baby boy lang para sa Thailand to. Nagwa-1 para mag-baby time.
As well as vision. So, the winner for our Trendsetter Award,
Look Trendsetter Award goes to Archie Larga.
congratulations,
Baba!
Archie Larga.
Nakakatawa. Nakakatawa si Archie, guys.
Alam ng nanay ko, magpapasya na ako sa bayan. Ang dami ko. Anyway, ano ito pinapanalunan ko? Ay, Trendsetter Award! Oh, napakita nila yung Vietnam. So, alam nyo, actually, let me explain. So, yung idea for that video, na ang inspiration ko talaga was si Miss Jen Barangan. Where is she? Jen, si Jen! Dahil sa'yo, kaya nagkaroon ng idea na pumunta ng Sapa. And yun, kung magpaplano kayo na pumunta somewhere in Asia, kung hindi pa nakapag-Vietnam, magpunta kayo ng Hanoi, then mag-side trip kayo sa Sapa, like 2 nights. Sobrang ganda, tapos mag-aakit kayo ng Pansipan. Mom, she, sobrang ganda, and sobrang mura lang. And alam niyo kung saan ko na-book ang aking tour? Siyempre, sa Klook! So maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, Klook. And to more travel sa Vietnam. Salamat po!
Congratulations, Archie.
Top activities Philippines Creator Award goes to Mimi Miyako.
Where's Mimi? Her.
And this award is represented to the individual with the highest hotel booking sales from last year of July until this year, and has consistently been providing budget-friendly hotel recommendations, offering an affordable yet a very enjoyable
Budget, dito na budget friendly. Si Jay.
Ito kasi arte mo kasi sa Thailand. Di ba nagkakapsong ka sa Thailand?
Pero walang say.
Nanginginig ako. Okay, big speech now. Maximum of how many minutes? So yun, first of all,
Go ahead!
First of all, this is my second nomination as content creator actually, na travel. At ito yung second award ko, yung unang tech, pandemic, hindi ako tumanggap in person. At ngayon, ito yung first award ko. And actually, kung makikita niyo yung TikTok account ko, yung Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, puro hotels nga naman. Puro hotels nga naman. So yun, maraming salamat sa group dahil tulad ng sinabi ko kay Miss Maki, minsan pagka namimit ko siya, noong estudyante pa lang ako, iniipon ko yung baon ko, and once a year lang ako nagta-travel. Then, flash forward. nung February 2023, nagpunta ako ng Taiwan at nag-active ako din mag-vlog sa YouTube. Then, a month after, nag-DM sa akin ng Maki Santos. Bunga, yung ating actually hotel pa nga lang no, pero ang pinuwento ko buong palang buhay. So yun, maraming salamat again. Tulad sa unang pagsasalita ko sa club, tinapos ko yung statement ko with this statement, all together, we will reach places we never knew would be possible with club.
Congratulations, Ivan, for Top Hotel Creator Awardee. Valuable travel tips, budget breakdowns, travel experiences, inspiring viewers to utilize the Klook app for future travels. Join me in applauding now our Rising Star Traveler.
Our Rising Star Traveler Award goes to Maine Bienas. Thank you, Klook, for this award. Nanginginig po ako sobra. I can't believe this. Thank you, Lord.
And consistent growth,
JM.
consistently securing a place among top 10
Mid-year na yan. Mid-year.
The Klook Top Outbound Creator Award goes to JM.
Go, Jay!
I'm speechless. Yeah, so first of all, thank you so much kay God, no? Kasi siyang kasama ko all throughout this journey. Thank you kay Klook, thank you kay Kian, kay Maki, and to all the creators dito sa Klook. Maraming salamat kasi pinagbubutihan yung paggawa ng contents. And itong award na to, bonus na lang to sa atin eh. Just being part of the creator community, malaking bagay na para sa ating lahat. So, ang masasabi ko lang tuloy-tuloy lang sa paggawa ng contents. And let's support each other.
Yeah!
Congratulations, JM, the Top Outbound Creator of 2024. You've got out.
Nahihayin ako.
Hello guys! Pinakakilala sa amin ni Arby Senzons ko. And thank you Luke for this award.
Oh my God, na-pressure ang lola nyo. I think, thank you so much. Number one, I think it's thank you to Clock talaga, like what I said kanina. I really believe that it's easier to travel because of Clock and the right of everybody is to travel. And you have to make it very budget friendly. And I believe Clock has one of the best platforms out there. Secondly, syempre, this award, I think, is not just for me, it's for everyone here. Kasi alam ko, everyday tayo kumakayod, gumagawa ng content. But one thing that I always want to remind each and everyone is we create content because we want to create value for each and everyone that watches it. Alam ko, we want the commission, it's always there, di ba? That's why we create content. But always remember that we should not be blinded by the commissions that we earn. Always be truthful, always be authentic on how you create your content. We all started small. Imagine that I was never somebody who wanted or who believed that I can create content. I was a lowly corporate slave for the longest time. But once you create that valuable content and nare-realize yun ang followers natin, and we create value and we bring value to them, slowly it will come. The money will come if you do what you love. And that's why we love to travel. Bonus na lang talaga yung mga commissions natin. Kaya, wow! Kaya, let's keep creating content. Let's make the world a smaller place. And let's make sure that we democratize traveling because everybody in the world deserves to travel wisely. Diba? Yun na. Thank you so much. Para sa atin pa lahat. Thank you, Clockers.
Thank you. Hindi ko alam kung anong award na. Hindi ko rin kaya nga. Front ko lang yung sabi.
Subscribe to kami. We that is medyo ano lang. Mahirap lang.
Ay, sure.
Congrats!
Diba ako ba? Deserve. Ikaw din deserve ulit. Guys, damit ko na yung The Fourth Traveler for the first time. Hi! We are Vince and Josh. We're going to travel.
Hindi lumabas ako sa vlog mo.
Na ninuno na pinakamatanda sa lahat. Nagmamalo ako. Fourth Traveler. Nakapag-upload ka na.
So guys, yung next trip namin sa Kuto ni JM. Yan. Saan tayo pupunta, Jay?
Bali.
Bali!
Bali ba o Thailand? Bali. Oh, Bali.
Guys, Bali yan. Sabi ni JM, sagot niya yung go! Ay, yung hotel. Sagot niya yung hotel. Sorry guys. Hi guys, so yun, I just wanna say thank you to everyone na naniniwala sa akin. Grabe, hindi ko talaga in-expect na makatanggap tayo ng award. Nung tinawag yung pangalan ko, nakikipag-usap ako kay Nana, kay Hazel. Nag-usap-usap kami, tapos biglang Marvin sama, ako, kasama ako. Parang hindi ko talaga in-expect guys. Like, masaya na ako na nakakagawa ako ng mga travel contents. Masaya na ako na nakakapag-travel ako at napapasaya ko kayo. Pero yung makatanggap pa ng ganong klaseng recognition, parang I'm so kilig. Parang hindi ko talaga in-expect. But thank you so much sa lahat ng mga naniniwala sa akin. Sure ba kayo? Sure ba kayo nagtitiwala kayo? But maraming salamat. And it just gives me more fire and more drive to produce more travel contents. Marami pa tayong mga lugar na mapupuntahan guys. And I'm so excited na isama kayo sa mga lugar na pupuntahan pa natin. At I'm so happy na ang dami kong na-meet ng mga content creators na first time ko sila ma-meet, and they were all very nice. So of course nandun yung Japan gang, like nandun sila Hazel King, JM Mankisho, Nana Silera, Archie Larga, yung mga Maki Santos, Kian Robles. Sila yung mga nakasama natin sa Japan before, no? So medyo close ko, I hope medyo close ko na naman sila. But then may mga bago tayong mga content creators na nakilala, like sila Ivan. Si Ivan, napapanood ko siya, ang tapang ng batang yun. Siya yung king of the beaten path travels, na yung mga pinupuntahan niya, mga ano, sabi ko nga, ang mga weird ng pinupuntahan mo. Grabe yung confidence and yung tapang niya. You can also subscribe sa channel ni Ivan. Tapos nakilala ko rin si Dave. Napapanood ko siya before nung nag-Kaohsiung ako. Nagpapanood ko yung mga vlogs niya and some of his Korea vlogs as well. Nandun din si Chuck and Joe. Si Chuck and Joe, like, nakaka-gym ko na sila dati sa Gold's Gym. Nakikita-kita ko na yan sila. Pero, hindi kami like close. Pero nakikita-kita ko sila sa Gold's Gym. So, akala ko hindi nila ako kilala. Tapos, nagkita-kita kami, sabi nila, oy, nakaka-gym ka namin sa Gold's Gym dati. So, parang, ay, kilala niyo pala ako. So, hindi kami nagpapansinan sa social media kasi nahiya ako. Baka hindi nila ako kilala. Alam mo yun. Tapos parang, oh, kilala pala ako ng Chuck and Joe. So, nice to meet you, Chuck and Joe. Tapos si Coles, si Coles Vidal. Like, pinapanood ko rin si Coles. Like, ay mga bestie. Ganun. Energy level din si Coles. Sino pa may mga na-meet natin doon? Nakita ko sila Jen Barangan. Pero, nahiya lang ako mag-approach. Pero, pinapanood ko rin sila Jen Barangan. Tapos, sino pa yung mga nakita natin doon, guys? And then, a lot, marami pa akong mga nakita mga small YouTubers na I apologize kung makakalimutan ko yung name nyo, pero napapanood ko yung mga YouTube videos nyo. I swear, napapanood ko yung mga YouTube videos ng mga small YouTubers na nakikita ko doon. Like, hindi ko lang na-remember name, pero mahilig kasi ako manood ng mga travel videos. Tapos even yung mga small YouTubers, pinapanood ko yung mga videos nyo. And nice to meet you doon sa event, no? I hope na marami pa tayong mga events na magkakasama-sama, and I hope to travel with you very, very soon. Sino pa ba? Wala na ba? Ay, The Poor Traveler! My gosh, buti ka na makalimutan. The OG, the origin of all the travels in the Philippines, The Poor Traveler. I'm so happy na na-meet ko na sila Vince and Yosh. Dati napapanood ko lang yung mga videos nila na, hi guys, we're Vince and Yosh. Pero sila talaga yung OG, no? Nung wala pang vlogs, sila talaga yung nagsimula ng mga vlogs, yung write-up, at yung mga itineraries nila. Sobrang fina-follow ko talaga, and sobrang laking influence ng The Poor Traveler sa akin. So nice to meet you there. Sino pa yung mga na-meet natin? The Senzones, napapanood ko rin yung The Senzones, yung mga Busan vlog nila, yung mga Korea vlogs. Nice to meet you, The Senzones. Sino pa? Wait lang, hindi ko maisip lahat kasi nagdadrive ako eh. Kung meron pa man akong nakalimutan, I'm still happy to meet you. Maraming salamat, guys. I'm just, my heart is so full. I'm so grateful and I'm so kilig. Thank you, Klook. My gosh, again, thank you so much, Klook. Sabi ko nga, Klook is the first ever brand who genuinely trusted me and on what I can offer, diba? Sila talaga, guys, sila yung pinakaunang brand na nagtiwala sa akin at nagagawa ko makapag-travel ngayon because of Klook. Like, Klook, sobrang laking tulong kung bakit nasusustain ko yung pagta-travel ko because of you, and I really trust this brand. Like, before pa nila ako maging creator, sobrang ginagamit ko na yung Klook, at sila talaga yung pinakaunang brand na gusto kong makatrabaho, and I'm so flattered na ngayon nakakatrabaho ko na sila, and grabe yung trust na binibigay nila sa amin. So thank you so much, Klook. Like, I love you to the moon and back, diba? At syempre, guys, maraming salamat sa mga gumagamit ng Klook discount code ko, Marvin sa Maka Klook. Hindi nyo lang alam kung gaano nyo ako natutulungan. Like, kahit small ways pa yan, kahit small bookings and amounts, whenever you use my code, sobrang laking tulong sa akin. So maraming salamat. And maulan na, guys. Okay, thank you, and cheers to more travels to us. Marami pa tayong mga travels together, and meron din ako mga travel plans with the other creators. Wait lang ha, medyo umuulan. Ayan, meron din ako mga travel plans with the other content creators. I hope ma-push natin yun na nag-usap-usap kami ng mga future travels namin. Like, ayoko i-spoil, baka it's not my story to tell. Pero, yeah, may mga future plans tayo with the other creators, no? Hopefully, mag-match yung mga schedules natin. Pero meron na kaming tina-target na month na ibablock namin yung month na yon, and then we will travel together sa month na yon. Hopefully, matuloy. Fingers crossed! Ayan, guys, maraming salamat, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye-bye!